on, you gotta put it up. Okay, what's this first step of making cookies? Let's go get the directions. First step is wash your hands.
Wait, we never said hi to the camera.
Oh yeah, okay. Hey guys! We're gonna be making cookies because I love chocolate chip cookies. Oh yeah, chocolate chip cookies. And that's it. First step, wash your hands. Zoe's following us. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you. Wait, I want to make this look nice, and then I'm gonna show. And then
I'm trying to be serious, but I have a dog licking my legs right now.
Oh my gosh, you're so quirky. So this is our little setup of ingredients.
I just felt tingles where she licked me. It was like tingle tingle.
You're kind of acting like 2012, we'll see. Our beloved KitchenAid. First step to making the cookies is preheat oven to 375. Step number 2. Actually, this is step number 3 because step number 1 was washing our hands.
Step number 3.
Step number 3. Blend together softened butter, sugars. There's 2 sugars. Okay.
I could eat that salt right now.
Ew.
Sugars? That was really satisfying.
Eggs.
One-handed. Guys, are you ready for this?
There's a shell.
One shot. It's only one. It's fine.
I'll get it out.
Thank you.
Welcome. Got it.
It's like an eyelash when I put the one on my eyes.
I feel like this lighting is so bad. Sorry, the light is like here and beating on our faces.
No, when I have eyelashes in my eye, like they're like stuck. And I just like poke my eye like that. It just looks so bad.
No, I always
But I can't get them out. And
Oh, and vanilla.
one time I had 5 eyelashes clumped together in my eye and I almost had a panic attack.
Jeez.
It was like really scary.
You have a lot of eyelashes. What are you doing?
Washing my hands.
You didn't even wet this. I said wet.
You didn't say wet it, but we'll put that in the audio and see if you said wet it.
Can you get a wet paper towel?
Yeah.
What was that again, Julia?
It already smells good.
Okay, so
Oh,
it has the vanilla in it.
Oh, I smelled too hard.
Okay, so next we have to add the flour, baking soda, salt, and mix.
We need some conversation talk.
Your turn.
And people are literally booking hotels to go.
Seriously?
Yeah, like people are serious.
That's funny.
And they're gonna get like arrested or something.
Wait.
Join me!
Ooh, oh, oh, ooh, oh,
Wait, go do the dance. I got a new day, thinking hard. You're Sam! We should do like a. We should go geocaching.
Combine unsifted flour, salt, and baking soda. We already did that into cream mixture. Okay. So I'm just gonna put a bit by bit, little by little. Dun, dun. Did you watch The Wiggles?
Yeah.
I love The Wiggles.
Oh shoot! One of the Wiggles like burger company.
Ew, there's a hair. Just
Mine?
kidding, it's not a hair. We're really good bakers. So we're going to junior year this year. We're gonna be upperclassmen. Wow, that's insane.
I know.
Stir in chocolate chips.
Up home. Today is a Saturday, and we're doing a YouTube video. We don't know what to say, but we don't want to video. So we're talking to you here at Hannah's house. But we're being loud, not quiet, like a mouse. Thank you! We don't want to be bored. But here we are, making cookies. Although it seems hard. We cannot be sad, for there is hope.
And tomorrow we're going to Italy to visit the Pope. Story time. So I was on TikTok and I saw like this girl and she had this list and she was making how to be a VSCO girl. And so she did like day 1, whatever. So I was like, wait, I'm gonna make a YouTube video of that. That's kind of smart. I go on YouTube and I'm like, a girl did this and I forgot who it was. I was like, shoot, like someone did this for her. I was like, okay, it's okay, like one girl, like I'll just do it like tomorrow or something. So a week later I still haven't done it, whatever. 5 more people, I saw a lot of people, YouTubers doing it and I was like, great, I missed my opportunity.
Can we please get a golf for a video?
Yeah, sure. I want to try this.
Oh, it's so soft. It is soft. That's good.
Ooh, these are nice new pants.
Hopefully I don't get in trouble for using them. I have like a lot of videos planned for the future, but like
right now I'm like kind of boop, poop, scoop diddy whoop, boop diddy poop, oop, scoop diddy doopity poop, scoopity doo poop.
we're done.
Wait, you're just gonna say something. So we're done. Now we're gonna do first impressions. Okay, here we go.
They're very fluffy.
Okay, just kidding. We had like so many before this, but like 100% is our first impressions. People are gathering around because they just smell our delicious cookies. Come get one, little slug.
Very like fluffy.
Yeah, we'll just try them. They're very doughy. I like them doughy.
They taste a lot like Toll House from Nestle.
So good. What's your favorite type of cookie? I feel like a baking channel. What's your favorite type of cookie?
I like chocolate chip and sugar cookies.
I think I like chocolate chip then sugar cookies, but it's like close.
Yeah, me too.
So we're gonna go now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, please, please comment down below what you want.
Please,
to
please,
do.
please.
Please just do it. Please, 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 please. I'm the Grinch. Wait, what is it?
Merry Christmas, Martha May.
We will,
Season of love. Merry Christmas, Martha May. I hate Christmas. I hate it.
Where I would go. Also, you're supposed to put something in the box.
I know, I just never do it anymore.
It bothers me.
I'll do it, I'll do
it. Do like a video or something.
I know, I'll do it, I'll do it.
It just looks so empty. It's just like subscribe.
Okay, I'll do it. Anyways, see you guys next week. Ciao.
Heavy.
Oh, look at your little dog.
Whoop, jump.
Looks fine.
Not. I can't talk. I'm sorry, Lily. There's nothing wrong with me, Hannah. Just a deep bowl. If you add some beans, it would be alcohol.
That is not Manga.
Thank you, Josh.
That is not Manga.
Wait, you're really good. Yeah. Comment below if you want more Julia videos.
Don't.